Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Honda Accord LX. This one's blue. Underneath here it's a 1.5 4-cylinder pushing out 195 horsepower. Four wheels, we've got 17-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Gray leather interior. Come around back. Accord badging. Opening up the trunk. It's got plenty of space. Clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Power windows. Steering wheel controls. Push start ignition. Rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls. Automatic transmission. This Accord has 25,573 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Honda Accord LX, check out feldmanimports.com.